What's up guys, Aiden here, Aiden on Landscaping. Welcome back to another video. Today in this video, I'm here with the guy himself. How many weeks has it been? I think like 2 weeks of content uploading that you haven't been in. Hey guys, I got my braces off. Looking fresh. I'm happy about that. Today, we got a little bit of vlog. The last time we caught up with you, Derek, he was still running a 48 belt drive mower. That was January of this year. And some things have changed. We've added a lot of stuff. And today I just want to dedicate this to kind of show him what he's got going on. He's also buying some new stuff today. Then we also have a couple estimates that I wanted to walk you guys through, just kind of show you how we perform those. We've already went to site one. You can kind of see all that fertilizer back there. I'll show you guys in a little bit anyway. But he's going to be picking up some new stuff. We just kind of got a lot going on. We've already accomplished a lot, but I figured we'd make a quick video, kind of show everybody what's going on. Got anything to say?
Let's rock it.
How about, before we close it, how about you tell everybody what's been new with you? What have you been up to?
Working.
How many lawns you got?
33-ish, something like that.
33-ish? How many commercial properties you got?
Three.
Three? What are we doing today? Putting in a bid on a large one, right?
Yeah, putting in a bid on a pretty large property.
So maybe later when we walk through your trailer, you can tell us about this property?
Yeah, I can tell you all about it.
Sounds good. Let's do that. Alright guys, I am in the trailer, back with the man who owns this trailer and all the awesome equipment that sits inside of it. And he's going to go ahead and give you guys the 3 to 5 minute walk down of everything that's inside this trailer, what's going on, how new the equipment is, how long he's been rocking it. And we'll turn it over, let him tell us all about the equipment. Where do you want to start? With the trimmers?
Let's start trimmers.
Okay.
Got an FS131R. Just picked it up about a week ago. This is mainly for our ditches and high-end residential, commercials, whatever the case is. Just
for a weed eater that when you need more power.
Exactly. We were just realizing with the 266s, the 266s were struggling to keep up with the heavy ditches that we maintain. This is a newer 266. This replaced the Echo 225.
Yeah, the 225, for those of you guys who don't know, is a actual residential trimmer. So
correct, it is a residential trimmer. So that replaced that. Of course, I had the next 266 down. I got these paired up with the Darwin grips, and then same thing with this KM 110R. Same with the Darwin grip, speed.
Now, what do you think about the Darwin grips? The Darwin grips for anybody that's interested in maybe picking one up.
If you're a taller guy, honestly, I'm not the craziest, tallest guy in the world. In fact, Aiden's taller than me. But for the taller guys, yeah, it's definitely something that you want to look into. It's going to relieve your back.
For sure, yeah. I'll have to check it out sometime. And if you guys want to check that out, that's ballard-inc.com. Code Brian's10 saves you 10%.
Yeah, we're not paid to say that, but
we can be though, Brian. And you want to flip over here? Tell us your blower racks that are actually coming out of the wall here. Very nice. They actually come with 2 of these, don't they?
They do.
Yeah, you're supposed to put 2 in.
Yeah, I'm supposed to put 2 in, but
so they're about to come off the wall.
So this is just a temporary fix until I get some Green Touch racks, blower racks. But Steel BR 600. And Echo PB8010.
Still rocking those from earlier this spring?
Yes.
Having any concerns, issues?
None that I know of.
Cool, awesome. Well, there's no belt drive here.
No, the belt drive is obviously not on the trailer. So I have replaced the belt drive with a Toro Grandstand 60.
And this is a what year? How many hours?
That's a 2014. And I have 496 hours.
And you bought it with how many?
I bought it with 366.
366?
Yep.
Awesome. It's a 60-inch deck.
Yep.
Very nice, very nice.
If you want to pan to your right.
We got the
Green Touch tool rack. I just installed those. I didn't have these in the trailer when you saw me up here in January.
Actually, in January, you didn't have any racks.
I didn't have any racks in January.
You own this, but you hadn't put it on yet.
Yes, I didn't put it in. I had the blower racks. Just like I said, it's just a temporary fix for right now. But the tool racks by Green Touch are going to stay there. I like not having the tools in the back of the truck.
Or in that bucket, yeah.
Or in the bucket. Obviously, I'm keeping a couple hand tools
Some extra attachments.
Extra commie
This
units.
blade's kind of dull, man.
I know, I need to change that out. But gas can, hedge trimmer, toolbox, residential push mower just for 2 accounts that I push in the backyard, and then some starter fertilizer.
And there's actually a steel HS56. That's going to be what, your hedge trimmers for smaller shrubs?
Yep, the hedge trimmer for smaller shrubs, and then if you look straight down, that's the KM 131 with the 145-degree articulating head.
Awesome, awesome.
Shrubs. To the left is a FS56 home area unit, just a backup weed eater to have. Nothing to breed.
Awesome. Then we got some 1424. That's going to be what, your starter fertilizer?
Yep, starter fertilizer for fall. I'm doing quite a bit of overseed and aerations, other things of that nature.
Awesome,
so
awesome.
We need some fertilizer.
And then if you just want to go ahead and walk through the attachments you got here in your...
Sure. So what you see in the bucket is the brush head for the steel KM 131, the straight shaft edger, and the straight shaft
extra weed eater attachment.
weed eater attachment. Thank you.
Yeah. Awesome, awesome. And then as far as line, are you still rocking the Echo Black Diamond?
Yeah.
Awesome, awesome. You
Echo
went through that roll fast.
I'm like halfway through.
Yeah, I've only taken 2 rounds off of it for my trimmer.
Lucky. What else?
What happened up here with the, just because I'm curious, not that everybody's curious, but what happened here? What happened to this rat's nest?
What's the easiest way to say it? Came off the spool.
Came off the spool, and then you got the Black Diamond and ended up not using it, huh?
That's junk anyways. It needs to go in the trash.
Gotcha. Well, this is an awesome setup. Any additional upgrades, trailer racks, anything else you want to add to this trailer this year?
Yeah, so actually, believe it or not, at the time of shooting this video, Aiden and I are actually headed up to Pennsylvania to buy a...
Guys, so it's a little bit later in the night, probably about, what's about 7:30, 7:50 at this point?
Yeah, something like that. 8 o'clock. It's late.
We got his 2 units here. Well, his 2 units.
Yeah.
Here we go, guys. Check this out. We got the 2 grandstands. This is the newest edition, the 2014.
17.
2000, I'm thinking the other one. 2017 52-inch, 22 horsepower Kawasaki.
Yep.
380 hours on it, ish? 360?
360.
52-inch deck.
Yep.
And it's actually faster than this one. Well, we haven't confirmed it. We're gonna race. We're gonna race on video.
We'll race.
Honestly though, this one's really beefy and looks, parked this way, look very comparable in size.
Sure.
And they're both great units.
Absolutely.
Other than the fuel tanks. Sorry, it's low light, guys. I can't help it. The fuel tank for this one's here. They're on opposite sides, basically.
Just a note on the fuel tanks, this is only 7 gallons. This is 10 and a half.
10 and a half. This thing's a hoss. But starting to rain, and we got 368. You guys can see that. And this one's got the hour meter we think's on backwards, but I think this one's got 495-ish, but it's dark and I don't think you guys can see that. But we just wanted to walk you guys around that. Oh, and it's got the quick shoot on it. Look at that. Nice quick shoot. Great feature. Anything else you want to say about this unit?
Love it so far.
Love it so far?
Got a good deal on it too.
Absolutely. Before it starts pouring, let's race real quick. I'll set the camera up.
Yep.
And we'll do it. Alright guys, so we just had a day together today. We spent the time, showed you guys this setup. Pretty cool setup.
Yep.
You're ready to rock and roll for the rest of 2020, 2021, however long it lasts until we get some bigger projects and need to upgrade bigger equipment. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any other questions, please leave them in the box down below. But with that, I'm Aiden from Maze Lawn Landscaping.
Thank you for watching.
Hope you guys enjoyed.
We'll see you in the next one.
Peace. And let me give this guy a little quick plug. The 48 belt drive is for sale on Facebook Marketplace for $2,500. No accessories on it. If you're interested, hit him up on Facebook or email debloislandscaping@gmail.com. He can get you set up. $2,500. That is firm. $2,500. It has probably about 900 hours on it, although it doesn't have an hour meter. Something like that, probably.
Probably closer to
$2,500. Anyway, guys, Camden, Wyoming, Delaware. If you're interested.
Yep.
It's for sale. 48-inch deck. I'll meet you somewhere.
I'll meet you somewhere.
Sounds good. Any guys interested? Hit them up. debloislandscaping@gmail.com.